Building and maintaining on-premise IT infrastructure is an expensive undertaking. Setting aside the costs of servers, cooling, and power, there's also the ongoing challenge of updating software, maintaining components, and keeping dedicated IT personnel on staff to troubleshoot any problems that emerge. On-premises data centers may have once been the standard means of deploying IT resources and applications, but today's companies have a much wider range of options available to them. Colocation data centers and public cloud platforms are a compelling alternative for organizations that lack the capital resources to build and maintain their own facilities. By migrating assets into a colocation data center or cloud platform that has compliance built into its operational DNA, organizations can mitigate potential regulatory risks before they have a chance to impact their operations. For on-premise data centers, IT budget is spent on a lot of equipment and manpower resources. Any data centers should have network infrastructure. Network infrastructure involves routers/net controllers, firewall, load balancers, and then there are physical servers. Even if virtual machines are used, they are in fact hosted by physical servers. Depending on how the network is designed, the servers are logically grouped by subnets. But not only servers are assigned to subnets. Any network-operated machines are also assigned to subnets like printers, scanners, queue machines, cameras, and so on. In addition to that, it is important to have a cooling system. Then we need UPS system to protect the system from outage. UPS provides power for a few minutes, but after that we would need power generator to keep it going for hours or days till the outage issue has been resolved. Monitoring system is needed to monitor and alert for water leakage and unexpected high temperature. Surveillance system is needed. Camera are set up throughout the data centers for every possible spot to record and cover every individual who move in and out of data centers. SOC security services are needed to monitor and analyze organization security needs on an ongoing basis. After accomplishing all those tasks, we need people to run and manage them. The organization hire network engineers, system administrators, database administrators, project managers, and etc. to serve those purpose. And to add to that those expense there is software license, it could easily be higher than IT services. The total cost of running DB on-premise data center is high and running them with least possible issue is not easy task. In summary, to have a data center, the supporting systems needed are hardware and machines, maintenance services, software license, related manpower, application. The idea behind cloud computing is instead of buying the hardware of the IT systems and pay for required supporting systems, let's create virtual machines on data centers maintained by cloud data providers. This way organizations do not worry about hardware or power outages. They can rent virtual machines from cloud providers and configure them as per the application need. With this model, the total cost of ownership is significantly reduced. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, is a set of complementary cloud services that enable you to build and run a range of applications and services in a highly available hosted environment. OCI provides high-performance compute capabilities as physical hardware instances and storage capacity in a flexible overlay virtual network that is securely accessible from your on-premises network. Cloud computing is a web-based service for computing resources, including servers, networks, storage, and applications. Some of the benefits are easy provisioning, easy scalability, high availability, less IT personnel, follow security standards. Most of the cost is OPEX, not CAPE. Cloud services are provided in three major models. IaaS, infrastructure as service. PaaS, platform as service. SaaS, software as service. As expected from the name, IaaS provides service related to IT infrastructure like VMs, storage, VLANs, load balancers, gateways, firewalls. When VM is created under this model, it is the client responsibility to maintain the VM and software installed on it like patching, upgrading. The provider provides the VM and OS and rest should be managed by the client. PaaS model provides platform to build application, databases, or develop solutions without the need of installing IDEs or any software. The client uses the platform without worrying about the underlying its structure or OS. SaaS, cloud provides the application like CRM, ERP, HCM. Consumer gets access to the application. Application are configured based on client requirement, the consumer starts using it. This services has largest market share in cloud computing. DBaaS, when databases are offered by cloud, we generally refer to them as DBaaS, IaaS plus PaaS. However, this does not represent a model as such. DB services can be offered as IaaS or PaaS. When DBs are offered as IaaS, consumer creates a VM with DB software installed on it. DB software could installed by consumer or it could be pre-installed by the provider. With this model, consumer has control over the databases as the on-premise system. DBAs are responsible for DB creation, patching, backup recovery, and all those tasks. When DB services are offered as PaaS, consumer just creates the DB as logical abstract. The consumer sets the DB name, its computing power specifications, creates application objects, loads the data to it.